This statue is a symbol of freedom, America, and the dream of millions of immigrants. But you didn't know it wasn't always green, that its face is modeled after the sculptor's mother, or that the torch was once a real lighthouse. This isn't just a statue. It's an engineering masterpiece, a gift from France, and a mystery wrapped in green patina. Today, the full story of the Statue of Liberty. From idea to reality, from copper to green legend. We'll reveal who built it, why France gifted it to America, how it was assembled piece by piece, and what secrets hide in its torch. This isn't just a landmark. It's a story of friendship, engineering, and dreams. The idea to gift America a statue came from French lawyer and abolitionist Édouard de Laboulaye. He wanted to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the U.S. Declaration of Independence and strengthen Franco-American friendship. The sculptor was Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, a young architect fascinated by symbolism and giant forms. He was inspired by ancient statues, especially the Colossus of Rhodes, and envisioned a female figure with a torch and allegory of liberty. The statue was built in France. Its face, arms, torch, and headdress were first created full-size. The entire structure is made of 3 mm thick copper, mounted on an iron framework designed by Gustave Eiffel, yes, the same man who built the Eiffel Tower. The statue was disassembled into 350 pieces, packed into 214 wooden crates, and shipped to New York on the Israel. In America, assembly took 4 months. The pedestal was built on Bedloes Island, later renamed Liberty Island. When the statue opened in 1886, it was copper-colored, like a new penny. The green color is patina, formed by copper oxidation. This process took about 30 years. Today, the patina layer protects the metal from corrosion like a natural skin. The statue weighs 204 tons, and the copper is only 3 mm thick, about as thick as 2 stacked pennies. The face of the Statue of Liberty is a portrait of Charlotte Bartholdi, the sculptor's mother. He said, "I wanted it to have severity, nobility, and strength." Some historians believe he also used features of his wife, Jean-Émilie Langlois, to add softness. So it's a hybrid portrait, the sternness of a mother and the gentleness of a wife. From 1886 to 1902, the torch was a real lighthouse. It was visible up to 24 kilometers, but the light was too bright for passing ships and distracted captains. In 1902, it was turned off. Today, the torch is symbolic, with artificial lighting. During the 1986 restoration, the old torch was replaced with a new, more accurate one. In strong winds, the statue sways 7.6 centimeters and the torch moves 15 centimeters. It's designed to be flexible, to survive storms. Eiffel's iron framework allows it to breathe and move without breaking. It can withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour. Inside the torch is a spiral staircase that once led to an observation deck, but in 1916, a bomb explosion by German saboteurs damaged it. Since then, access to the torch has been closed. Only 36 people per year are allowed inside by lottery. Inside is a small room where lighthouse lamps once stood. Foot size, 8 meters, like a person, 150 meters tall. Crown, 7 rays, symbolizing the 7 seas and 7 continents. 354 steps to the crown. The statue faces east toward Europe, where immigrants came from. On its pedestal is a poem by Emma Lazarus. "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free." Today, the Statue of Liberty is not only one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, but also an eternal reminder: freedom requires courage, and a dream requires faith. She stands not only on Liberty Island, she lives in the hearts of those who continue to believe that a better tomorrow is possible. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and we went to shoot a new video.